So this is the part wherein I'm gonna teach you how to create a vegetable balls or fritters, but I cannot say it's fritter because it's basically balls. But I'm not gonna show you one by one on how did I make this dough already, since this is the same dough that I used for my quick that is in my previous video. Just gonna explain. This is composed of 1/2 cup of flour, half a cup of cornstarch, pepper, salt, garlic powder, and fish sauce, and then baking powder as well, a teaspoon of it, and water up until you get this kind of consistency. So I'm just gonna be adding some of the ingredients here, which is a bit of onion. You can use half of a medium cut onion, and then spring onions, and shredded carrots and cabbage. So you guys just have to mix this. Up until you get this kind of consistency. And of course, I will be showing you guys how to make its sauce as well later on. So like this. For this one, guys, I'll be adding flour because the consistency that we're looking for should be a bit stiff. And since I use this for quick or tok neneng, it's a bit, more mushy. So since we are transitioning already to vegetable, you can just add additional flour in it. Put seasoning as well, like, magic syrup or whatever you guys have. But for me, I'm not putting any of those. There you go. So our vegetable fritter is already okay. Now it's time for frying. So let's go ahead and check if the oil is okay already. Alright, so the oil is all good, so you can definitely put some. You can use spoon, alright, in curdling, but you can use the release and go scoop for ice cream. But for me, since it's just mine, I'm not gonna sell it, I'm just gonna be using spoon. So you can put just those. It depends on how big you want. I can just put it that way, like bite size. Then you guys could flip it over already. I said balls, but since the consistency is like this, it can turn out to be fritters. So probably I'll just change the subject to fritters. This is very healthy and delicious. Especially we're gonna be matching, a very delicious sauce later on, which I am gonna show you guys how to do. So after you flip that, you can put that on the other side so you can get more space for the rest. You can just put just a bit of portion, guys, because it's gonna expand anyway. It has flour on it. But if you like it bigger, then it's fine. And the thinner it is, the crispier it gets. So that's one of the things as well. Okay, so it's almost done. We can actually remove some of them already. Let me just do a final flip, and then I'm gonna be removing some of those that are already cooked. Alright, so this should be okay already. So I just remove them and strain them for a bit. I'm removing the small ones because they are the first one to be cooked. So you guys, this is all done. So this is our vegetable fritters already. I can't wait to taste it. This one is the sauce that we have created. Okay, it's still jiggly. And as I mentioned, you can make one spicy. So try this. This is very healthy and very cheap. You can, just buy some, or you can even get the ingredients on your fridge, and very tasty snack. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you guys will subscribe and push the notification below so you guys get notified with my succeeding videos. Thank you.